Did you know that many young millionaires follow specific money principles to achieve their financial success? In this video, we're diving into the 10 key money principles that young millionaires swear by. Stick around, and you might just find the secrets to transforming your financial future. Today, we're uncovering the 10 money principles that have helped many young individuals achieve millionaire status. These principles are not just about making money, they're about smart financial management, disciplined habits, and strategic thinking. By understanding and applying these principles, you can set yourself on the path to financial success and potentially reach millionaire status at a young age. We all know that managing money can be challenging, especially for young individuals who are just starting their financial journey. Student loans, living expenses, and the temptation to splurge on lifestyle upgrades can make it difficult to save and invest wisely. Without practical money management strategies, achieving financial stability, let alone becoming a millionaire, can seem impossible. But the good news is, by following the right principles, you can overcome these challenges and set yourself up for financial success. 1. Living below your means. The first principle is living below your means. Young millionaires understand the importance of spending less than they earn. They prioritize saving and investing over indulging in luxury purchases. This doesn't mean living a deprived life but making conscious spending choices and avoiding debt. 2. Investing early and consistently. Starting to invest early gives you the advantage of compound interest, which is a powerful tool for growing wealth. Young millionaires often begin investing in their 20s or even earlier, consistently putting money into stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles. 3. Diversifying income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. That's why young millionaires diversify their income streams. They might have a main job, side businesses, investments, and other sources of passive income. This not only increases their earning potential but also provides financial security. 4. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Young millionaires prioritize education and self-improvement, whether through formal education, online courses, or self-study. Staying informed about financial trends, business strategies, and personal development helps them make smarter financial decisions. 5. Setting clear financial goals. Having clear, specific financial goals gives direction and motivation. Young millionaires set both short-term and long-term financial goals. These goals help them stay focused and disciplined in their financial habits, making it easier to track progress and make necessary adjustments. 6. Networking and building relationships. Your network can be a significant asset in your financial journey. Young millionaires often build strong professional and personal relationships that can provide opportunities, advice, and support. Networking with like-minded individuals can open doors to new ventures and collaborations. 7. Embracing risk and learning from failure. Taking calculated risks is essential for growth. Young millionaires are not afraid to take risks, whether in business ventures, investments, or career moves. They understand that failure is part of the process and use it as a learning opportunity to improve and move forward. 8. Maintaining financial discipline. Financial discipline is key to accumulating wealth. Young millionaires stick to budgets, avoid unnecessary debt, and make strategic financial decisions. They understand the importance of delayed gratification and focus on long-term gains over short-term pleasures. 9. Giving back and philanthropy. Many young millionaires believe in giving back to society. Philanthropy and charitable activities not only help those in need but also provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Giving back can also create a positive impact on their personal brand and business reputation. 10. Staying healthy. Health is wealth. Young millionaires prioritize their physical and mental well-being, understanding that good health is crucial for maintaining the energy and focus needed for financial success. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management are integral parts of their lifestyle. The key takeaway from these principles is the power of investing early and consistently. This principle leverages the magic of compound interest, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. By starting early, even with small amounts, you can build substantial wealth. This principle alone can have a profound impact on your financial future, so don't underestimate its importance. To recap, the 10 money principles of young millionaires are: Living below your means, investing early and consistently, diversifying income streams, continuous learning and self-improvement, setting clear financial goals, networking and building relationships, embracing risk and learning from failure, maintaining financial discipline, giving back and philanthropy, and staying healthy. By adopting these principles, you can navigate the financial challenges of today and set yourself up for long-term success and wealth accumulation. If you found these principles insightful and valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts on these 10 money principles in the comments section below. Which principle resonates the most with you? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.